Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be making Christmas brownies. Okay, as you can see, I'm adding a brownie mix, 2 eggs, water, some butter, and vanilla extract. Okay, now that everything's in the bowl, it's time to mix everything up really well. So being that I didn't use oil, I used the butter. I noticed I had to add some more water into the bowl. Okay, now that everything's mixed, I'm just gonna grab the pan, put some butter in the pan, and then pour the mix inside the pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the oven, let it cook for a while, and then once it's done, I'm gonna be cutting the brownies into triangle shapes. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to be laying the brownies on some foil, and then I'm going to be adding some M&Ms on top of each brownie. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to be inserting some sticks inside of each brownie, and then I'm going to show you how it looks.